Good morning. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás? What up, what up, what up? See, I'm really liking the look of, where is it? PSRT. PSRT already popping up to 250 here. Good morning, Joel. Good morning, Liquid. What's up, guys? How are you guys doing? See, and the last one, I want to throw up GNS. GNS is looking mighty froggy right now. Viewers watch list, GNS, HUBC. Where is GNS? There we go, 123. Why is it? Oh, it's a 120, okay. So GNS is on for the breakout. You got PRST, which has this massive breakout potential. If we take a look at the chart here on the daily, you can see GNS is looking pretty healthy right now. We got PRST also on a potential massive breakout here. Leave the SPY up for now. I made a little prediction on the SPY, and we got PLTR, which is also looking really nice. Also on a potential breakout here. Gonna have to see how it deals with the it's popping up and down here. SPY is trading sideways. We'll see how that is handled. I know the GNS volume might not be there. Good morning, Barbara. How are you? Yes, sir. Moon was calling it out. I was on a Twitter space call again. I was taking a look at it, and I'm like, damn, that looks like a really nice chart here. If we go to the 1 hour, or no, let's just go to the daily here. But that looks like such a nice little. Here, we can actually make another line here real quick. Put it there, put it there. So we do have a little bit of a ways to go here. May take some time, obviously. GNS, I mean, it already tapped the top of that line right there. So it's really close to a breakout. I'm actually going to take off the RSI and the MACD for now. Can always throw that back up there. Good morning, Sarah. How are you? Yep, I got some BLBX popped. All right. I got some stuff going on at the house right now, or not right now, but later. So I'm not going to be showing my face, and I probably will remove the microphone at some point. So actually, you know what? I could probably. Where is it? Give me a sec. I could probably turn on the camera for a little bit here. Still early in the morning. No one's here yet. There we go. I'm back in play, ladies and gentlemen. PRST is going to move up quick, guys. Since it has a... Here, well, actually, let's take a look at the... I know a lot of people... Wow, BLBX up... Holy crap, 300%? God damn. Thought it was only up like 30%. I didn't realize it was an extra number. Okay, well... Let's see, what was the news here? To letter of intent to merge with EV letter of intent, the good old letter of intent. I'd be careful with that, guys. Hold up, let's go to PRST. The reason I found this one interesting is because look at this chart, man. We go to the weekly here. The volume kicked up as well. Well, so Sarah, see, okay, so we hit that line right there. We came up. Let's take a look. I think PRC is currently hitting the 1 hour 500 moving average. Got momentum kicking up on the 1 hour. 30-minute looks really nice here. 15, you got the crossover. So you got you have fat momentum coming, and you also have a lot of volume. What's the float here? 32. I wouldn't be surprised if you hit $3 today. Again, you're on the breakout here. Here, wait, there's a line right here. I know I'm drawing a lot of lines right now, but I think PRTS is kind of like the CXAI or BLX. What was that other ticker that was shouted out? BLXBX by Joel. Wow, there's only so many messages and it took me a while to find it. As you guys can also see by the title, the account is back up to $75, guys. I have a feeling the push past 100 is coming soon. Foxo also popping up. You got to be ready for these runners right here. Oh, did you buy the bottom here? Liquid, did you buy the bottom? Barbara, it might reject some of those lines. Again, not financial advice. It might retest those lines. But it's past, see, on the hourly, it's tapping that 500 moving average. You do have some very nice candles right here. on the 1 hour. It's tapping that line on the 4 hour. If you manage to break out on the 4 hour, you're definitely tapping. See, we're currently at the previous support. So the next level is going to be $3. It's going to be may bounce off of that. It's difficult to tell. You got a gap at $3 here. The next level is probably going to be around $3.29. Then after that, you probably got around $3.71. And then after that, you're looking at $4.40. Maybe some resistance like $4.12 or something like that. But for the most part, you're looking for that breakout. See, any other tickers here, guys? By the way, RXDX, I think it was Miss Harris who called that out in the Discord, but this one popped up 69%, 70%. CXAI, let's take a look here. Look, I still think CXAI has a run in it. They did leave a gap, of course, but see, that was my little prediction. Okay, that prediction did not work out, so we're going to delete these lines. I still think CXAI has a run in it. You can't get this much volume without generally on, you don't just get one volume candle and then it just kind of dies off here. You're probably going to get another day where volume kicks up really high. I don't know if today's that day, but you are in this loading zone that I drew from here, I'll just make it a little bit bigger because we are dealing with, I would check. See, you had that previous support at 1150 and we're currently trading just above it. You had that dip back down below to 870, which was necessary. You're looking at another support here at 750, but if not, you're looking for a pop-up. Remember, it's pre-market. I think CXI still has some potential in it. Let's take a quick look at PLTR here. PLTR is also on for a potential breakout here. It's looking good. We do have another line of resistance up here around the 9s. Well, for today, it's at around 942. We got a little gap here at 915. Let's take a look at PRST again. By the way, TRKA is looking good. It has a little breakout potential here. If you look at the hourly, we are bouncing off that top zone here. We have another one. TRKA is looking good. Just keep an eye on it. GNS is also looking good. Where is GNS? Well, let's look at PRST. See, PRST came back down a little bit. I would say GNS is a good opportunity here. I can buy one share. I buy one share of GNS. I have enough to buy one share of GNS. I'll take a little stab at it here. By the way, guys, if you could real quickly hit that like button. I know it's early in the morning. You don't really care about that, but it just helps out the stream a little bit. I'm not sure if you know this, but YouTube likes to, how do you say, there's a reason financial YouTube channels don't get millions of views all the time. So if you just hit that like button real quick, that'd be great. I'm subtly trying to convey a certain message. I know. Hopefully you guys are picking up on that message. Hey, what's up, DJ Underground? Good morning. AMC creeping up. Yeah, you know what's funny? I had to actually talk about GME. So I said GME was fundamentally strong, and someone had to try to debate me on the fact that GME wasn't a strong play. And I said, well, the fundamentals say otherwise. So I know it's not the same squeeze as in 2021, but to say GME is not a fundamental play, that's a hard thing to say. Or at least it's a hard thing to base it on facts. Did PRST take that drop back down to 2? A little bit of a sell-off, finding some support here at around 242, 243. Hey, what's up, Rich? How you doing, bro? Good morning. I'm feeling this week's going to be good, guys. Let's take a quick look at the SPY here. I have a feeling, bro, we're in for a good little swing here. We have a nice little dip. May have to retest 411, like the top 412 here, but for some reason in my mind, I got a good feeling. I think the market is in full swing here. I still think we're going to be... I changed the chart of my... Here, I'll give you guys a quick little taste. So this is my little prediction I made on the SPY here. This is on the monthly chart, so just keep that in mind. This is like a long prediction here, but I was looking back at the previous now there's a second option that I haven't drawn out yet on the SPY, but if I take the 2008 financial crisis, like that crash, and I were to copy and paste it into the situation we're in right now, this is what we're looking at. So I think we do still have a pop-up to around 430. I've seen people talk about like 432 as the next level. So I think like short term, like I'm talking a couple of weeks here, we got a little bit of a bull run. We're going to see a lot of pop-ups, so if you can, take advantage of it. The market is feeling itself right now, and we won't experience that for a while, so just take advantage of it. Yes, obviously, also, not financial advice, guys. Just, it's my own thoughts, my own thesis here. I don't even know how you'd make money on RT. Do they have options? Options must be printing on RXDX, sorry. No. What? Dude. Look at this. It hurts. It hurts. Do you understand? Do you understand what you're looking at right now? This hurts. I've been waiting for 6 goddamn months. I've been looking at this ticker for 6 months. God, mother. Do you understand? I put so much effort into this ticker, and my dumbass didn't put a position in. Oh my goodness. Part of me feels effing broken right now. God, all that research. I spent hours. I spent hours doing due diligence, and I didn't pull the trigger. Oh. No, but this is gonna skyrocket. Oh man, we're in a. Oh boy. Oh no, it'll come back down. It'll come back down. We're good. We're good. It's happened before. We're gonna come back down here. People are gonna sell off. We're good. We're good. We're good. But still. Yeah, the volume is incredibly low, but that hurts in the gut there, guys. Ticker, like no one was talking about the ticker as well, so I think that's kind of what hurts the most is I was leading the charge and I didn't even take advantage of it. By the way, CNSP hit $6, 6.40 this morning, and if you chart this out right now, we're close for another breakout here. Maybe a little bit further if you take. Might be tomorrow. We might get a swing down today, but we're definitely looking for a head and shoulders. So I think we're looking at a 530 pop here. Not financial advice, obviously, but I think CNSP, it's looking like a sort of slanted head and shoulders. So CNSP could be a play here. Buru also popping up. God damn it, bro. Hold up, I gotta edit my EMAs real quick. I'm gonna take these off. Leave up the. Yeah, CSBR. The volume is low, but I've been looking at that ticker for 6 months, man. 6 months. 6 months of research and due diligence. Hopefully it comes back down and I'm going to load up hard. I'll be right back. Head in the game. Head in the game. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We missed an opportunity. On to the next one. On to the next one. That's how the market works, guys. Next one. Next one. We've got to change our mindset here. No more sitting around for an hour or two thinking about the same play. We move on. We move on. That ticker still needs to develop itself. We're just going to look for the next opportunity. We're still in some PLTR calls here. We're looking good. We're looking hot. That's all we care about right now. Go down, sell off. All right. SAI, interestingly enough, it's down 20%. Let's actually take a look at SAI here. Excuse me. Wow, that was unexpected. Kind of came out of the blue. All right. So SAI is also on a potential breakout here. It may follow down and kind of head back to a loading zone here. We're gonna try to draw this out here. No, not a trend line. So we're probably looking. Seems like this is a good little supply zone here, or a demand zone. So if this follows correctly, then we're looking here. But if not, we're looking at a zone back down here at 174. Due to the fact that it's on people's radars and there is volume within the ticker, we also have a potential breakout here. So it could either be mid today or tomorrow morning. Got to keep an eye on that. BLBX. I'm not sure if anyone's in it. I know people talked about it and alerted to it. Look, CXAI is in this sort of loading zone here. It already tapped off that. It's tapped some support areas here. I would just keep an eye on it if you're holding it or trying to play it, or if you want to get back in. I wouldn't worry too much about it. It's still very a right play. Let's look at PTPI here. PTPI also looks like a breakout is imminent at some point. We're going to be looking for a move like right here. We're also tapping off this top here. These plays looking primed to run. Maybe a pullback today, but definitely at some point we're looking for a pop. Oh, let's pull up silver and gold in the background here. Always a good thing to take a look at. So gold is taking a dip here. Let's take a look at silver. Silver doing the opposite. It's actually taking a little pop up. Silver couldn't maintain 26, but that's cool for now. Boyle is up as well. Man, we really got some. IONM also popping up. I know someone mentioned this earlier. OCTO also looking like for a little pop up. It had a nice run up on Friday. Oh, we had a lot of run ups on Friday. BLBX. It's trading pretty high here. I don't like the look of this, to be honest. PRST is holding itself up very nicely here. We're definitely come back down and retest like the 220 area for PRST. Maybe. Not financial advice, obviously. See, it's a Monday morning. People are probably they're clawing their way to the phone, the computer, whatever it is, very slowly here this morning. STSA, I wouldn't put it out of the question here. Oriental Culture Holdings are still moving. You know what's funny about this ticker? And this could be in a weird area, but if I'm not mistaken, Oriental Culture Holding is actually a Chinese ticker. And if you, Oriental Culture Group, didn't didn't that name get like canceled? Quote unquote, it got quote unquote canceled in America, but yet the Chinese company is called that. So maybe maybe the Chinese are like, these racist people. We're just gonna throw out the most. We're gonna try to cater to their racism. Like I'm just pointing out the fact here. They called themselves that. KWE. KWE. Yeah, no, okay, yeah, this one. What was the volume this morning? It wasn't great. Do they have news? We'll see. Wait a sec. Hold up. What's moving up so quickly? I'm getting a couple of pennies here. Hey, every penny matters, guys. See, VHC should be paying me tomorrow. Apparently some people already got their dividends, but whatever. I don't care. We're going to be holding until we get that dividend. See any other runners that kind of moved itself up the chart here? Okay, CSBR is coming down. I like that. BTCY, the good old Steve Raven play. It did have a nice setup here on the chart. You have this sort of descending channel right here. Or a descending wedge. Looking for a breakout here. It does have a little bit of a ways to go. And it does have that 4 hour up above. 4 hour 500 moving average. I would take a look at CNSP. The chart looks, it may drop down even further, but if it does, it kind of enters into this loading zone here. This demand area. It could drop hard, obviously pre-market, but then you're looking for a pop-up here. Again, I'm just relaying to you what the chart kind of says here, so I'm not saying anything about the actual movement of the ticker. Okay, PRST is using the 13 EMA as support right now on the 5-minute, and the 10 on the 10 moving average on the 10-minute. GNS is looking very nice as well. Wait, let's take a look at Saito here. Hold up a sec. What do we got here? Saito's also not looking terrible. Man, a lot of these tickers look primed for another pop. I wonder if that's kind of like a fake out here. NRBO, this is also a ticker Steve called out. It did pop up, right? It popped up this morning. NRBO, this is also a Steve Raven play. Popped up to 96 cents, currently trading at 76. Viri was also a play. Where is that, Viri? If you take a look at Viri, one of the reasons people are so bullish about this play, right? If you guys remember the PTPI play last week, the one that kind of just ran up, Chase made a boatload of money on that play. The one of the reasons it ran is because you didn't have a lot of resistance up above. So once it kind of popped that top, it kind of kept running. Same with CXAI. And with VIRI, it has a very similar chart setup. So you have resistance up until about 316, then you have a massive gap. You probably won't get any resistance until about 722. In between that, obviously, they have markers 473, 568, and then like 710. And then after that, you're looking at $9. This IPO'd a couple of weeks ago. Not a couple. Sorry, I would say a couple of months ago. Probably. No, 2 years. Sorry. A lot longer time frame than I'm thinking here, but. Okay, here we go. STSA, looking for that pop out here. Trying to break this line. What about GFAI? Since AI is doing so well right now. Still think we need to tap that $13 range on GFAI. Could be another good way to scoop it up and pick it back up. Let's take a look at JP Morgan as well. I know JP Morgan might have a sell-off today. Might not necessarily be a good thing, but we'll see. GNS is now up to 125. GNS is looking good as well. Crap. What's it do with this one? Okay, gray one. By the way, guys, how was your weekend? What did you guys do? I had a chill weekend. I just kind of chilled yesterday. Did some research on Saturday. Was looking at charts and stuff like that. Boyo continuing its rise. Feeling confident about the next 2 weeks, so take opportunity. Man, some of the 2, 3, 50%. Okay, CNSP is rejecting that trend line here, so we may go lower. Okay, we did hit the top of that 220 range. We hit 228 on PRST. Again, we're probably going to bounce off the top of that trend line here. We do have another trend line below here in the 190s that we might tap. Obviously, as the day goes on, those trend lines do move down. DMRA is also looking very froggy here. Good morning, Sue. How are you? Oh, yeah. I'm at the laundromat and a couple is in their undies. I see fat everywhere. Shake my head. Bro, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. When you're just not ready for something in the morning, you have to look at something you just aren't prepared for. Well, today's going to be an interesting day for sure. Sun is popping up here, up 8% to 287. Looking for higher highs here. Man, all of these runners were pre-market, like right off the bat. I don't like that. These are all bull traps. They're trying to get people to, they're trying to work people in on the way down. PRST popping up to 240 here. We got a nice engulfing green candle. Looking good, looking good. We have a potential massively bullish setup here. We do need to give it a little bit more time. This is pre-market. Volume is not as hot, but we do have a potential very bullish setup here on PRST. As I said, this is a potential breakout that could work well in a lot of people's favor here. It has a nice setup and a lot of momentum kicking into it. I wanted to DFLI. Wasn't this on the list? Maybe we removed it. I remember someone mentioned this. Do Z. Oh, what's up, Z? By the way, good afternoon. Steve Gailey, what's up? Good morning. John, I'm not sure if I said good morning to you, but good morning. Do you guys make sure you have your limit orders set for extended hours? I think I did that with JFBR, where I forgot to put in extended hour orders. Buru's looking good here, man. I think the reversal could be in. MRA also down. See, we do still have about 24 minutes left. See, I will have to take a pause on the stream at some point to kind of move. Got some things to take care of, so I'll probably briefly end the stream for a little bit. Probably about 20 or so minutes. And then I will hop right back on and kick it back up. BFRG, let's take a look. Rich has been calling out the GFAI and the BFRG calls really well. He called it really well last week. Where is BFRG? I know this is recently viewed. BFRG, here we go. Yeah, this is looking good right here. I think AI is going to continue its run here. Definitely going to have a lot of swings here. Probably have a little bit of a pullback again. But we have this sort of W cup and handle formation here. So I think we'll definitely see that 950 area again. We'll probably retest it. Maybe a little bit below that. We did already retest that 821 area. But I think that $9 could be another mark here. WW continuing its climb. SAI did bounce off that trend line there, and it came back down. We're going to have to see how it handles that $3 loading zone. Let's take a quick look at gold and silver again, just to make sure we're not in for any surprises. Gold continues its way down. Silver trading sideways. So we are in a bullish swing here. If gold is on its way down, that pullback from Pyro, what Pyro was talking about there. Dude, that's how I feel about CSBR, Salcero. I had that ticker on my watch list for 5-6 months, and it popped up 40% today in the pre-market. Do you know how much it? Do you know how much DD I did on this? I looked at transcript calls from like 3 years back. But it's also my fault. I should have started a little starter position there. So I feel you, man. I feel you. I was legitimately, I was trying to learn stuff about oncology for the ticker. Which, by the way, I don't understand a lick of it. Like, not a single lick. I don't know. You've had these dips down to $2 earlier. So you do have some buying pressure. Buying pressure, I think PRST is looking for that breakout. You're definitely going to see it pop up on the open of the market. It's either going to pop up or it's going to head back down to $2. Or sorry, not $2, around $2.20. But we're kind of already, we're hovering right above that zone right now. Even ACAM popped up. I mean, Friday could have just been a liquidity grab for this week. TRKA rejecting that trend line right now. Wow, look at pair all the way down to 4 cents here. I don't want to say anything here, but I mean, hold up. Let's look at this trend line. We are on a little bit of a pop up here. Does that mean what I think it means? Look, guys, I know pair was a disappointment on Friday, but we're now trending on the top of that pop up there. We do have another line right here. And we've tapped it almost 3 times now. Not saying anything will really happen here, but I wouldn't put it out of the question. Zella's also took a falling knife here pre-market. Crypto's also popping up. We do have Doge kind of. Oh, look at. Oh boy, we got engulfing candle here on Doge, all the way back down to that 920 area. Resistance for PRST. Okay, give me a sec. I don't remember it off the top of my head. Here we go. So that area we tapped this morning is resistance, and the next one you have is $3. Right after that, it should shoot up straight up. Well, maybe. Hold up. Yeah, resistance there. No, if you get over 264, you're going straight to 3. There's almost no resistance in between there. If you look at the chart, there maybe midway, like 295, you do have some resistance, like 289. But otherwise than that, you're going straight to 3. If you manage to pop over that pre-market high. But with the volume kicking in, you could push past that, and then you got 440. PTPI. Where did that close last time? I don't even remember. Okay, here we go. That's bullish right there. You got a bullish candle on the a bullish candle on the 1 hour. Slightly bullish on the 30-minute. You are tapping that line right now. You did actually tap that line right now. So PTPI is on for a potential breakout again. I didn't even put that up there. I just threw it up there based off of the. So we might reject this area. This sort of 440 area. You're going to have to retest that. You may have an engulfing candle here as well in the 10-minute. 5-minute bullish. 5 minutes bullish candle action. You are tapping some of these moving averages here on PTPI. So, hey Steve, what's up? Good morning, bro. NRBO. This is a good old Steve Raven play here. Had a little pop up this morning. And the other one, BTCY. Did I add that? I did not add BTCY, but I saw this also popped up here. You're on for a potential breakout here. A very nice falling wedge here on the daily. Oh, you got that. Oh, look at that. On the daily, I didn't even see this. Steve, I didn't see this. You have a fat bullish candle price action here on the daily. Very nice. It's really hard to see on the 4 hour because the volume is so low, but you have some beautiful candle action here on the daily. I didn't even see that, dude. Damn. That's why you gotta look at charts like over and over. You can't just look at it once. Bought BTCY at 59. Yeah, that's a good entry. Dude, you're on a... I'm telling you, dude, you're looking for a massive breakout on the daily. You see these 4 candles here the last 4 days? Because you have a bullish candle with a reversal on the downtrend right here. So actually, look at the previous 6-day candles. So you have a what is it, doji or star candle here, reversal. Then you have a fat green candle. You have a downwards push with high volume, right? So people are looking to sell off this pop up here. And you have a fat green engulfing candle with higher volume on the daily. BTCY looks pretty good, actually. Like, really good. I don't know if this is the extent of the pop-up. You even got the 7777. Talk about lucky numbers. I was already thinking, this is... I mean, dude, look on... You have this potential breakout here. It bounced off the bottom of this longer breakout here from 2 days, and you're now tapping the line on this new trend right here. You could look for a pop up to like 15 cents, 16 cents. Not financial advice, obviously. Wow, look at Doge getting slammed down. It needs some good buying pressure here. It did find that support level. This could be just a retesting of support here on Doge. PRST here at 230. PRST may need another couple of days to develop this channel or develop this chart here, because if you take a look at the daily, you do on the previous run-ups, you have this slow sort of accumulation phase here, and then you have that massive upswing, but it always takes a couple of days. So I don't know, PRTS, you could be a week early here. That could be a possibility, maybe a couple of days. Wednesday's delisting, so today or tomorrow could be good. All right. VS. Did VS pop up again? It's on the list. Was it volume? Okay, you do have this line here. I see the line. Definitely. I think you may reject that line at some point, though. Do you have this? Did I draw this out the other day? When did I draw this? This was from a while ago. Because I was using this strategy, but I don't use it anymore. I see what you mean, Steve. It bounced off that support line very well. It came back up. Anything else running right now? SPY is headed to the red side. Could be a dip here in the morning. Dude, if you had calls on RXDX, I'm telling you right now, you would be ungodly rich. You could, I think, I gotta look at this option chain, dude. You would be ungodly rich. I mean, you're talking about what, over 100? I think almost 100,000%. Hey, Senior Moments, what's up, bro? How you doing? Good morning. We are looking hot. Come on, Monday. I know last week Monday, the market was insane. If you guys remember that, we had some amazing runners on Monday, and then we had a little bit of a cool off on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday were excellent. So hopefully they throw us Monday this week. Oshia also popping up here. Man, look at Boyle. Boyle is rising. IONM. BLBX coming down. Descending red volume. BLBX could see another pop up here. I wouldn't put it past it. This candle action is it's very soft. Oh no, they could try to slam it down here back to that $5 area. They did leave a fat gap, so be careful for that. CNSP is still following that trend line right now. It's trying to break out. Okay, here we go. We're popping up on that. I'm telling you, bro, be ready for CNSP. Be ready for this play. You've hit this bottom 3 times now. It is an inverse cup and handle here. So we could see a massive pull down, but the reversal would be hella strong. If you break this cup and handle, the reversal is strong. See, all right, guys, we got about 6 minutes left until market opens. Be careful. We're gonna BLBX looking for that falling knife. Falling knife could be imminent. That'll be a lot of red candles. I'm going with 15. AMC still climbing its way up here. Did see some hype on GME. Some people GME bottoming out here. SPY is a bit indecisive right now, but that's cool. All right, we got 5 minutes left, people. 5 minutes left in the market. Are y'all ready for anything? Hey, good morning, OA. What's up, bro? Yes, sir. Let's eat. I hope you guys didn't have breakfast this morning because we hungry right now. Yo, by the way, OA, take a look at CSBR, bro. Take a look at CSBR. Look at this ticker. The ticker I've been hammering about for the last couple of months. Look at it. Look at it. Wow, Boyle is up a full 10% pre-market here. We're getting closer and closer to that market open, guys. Be ready. Be ready. A lot of price action's about to come in. Looks like liquidity is very healthy in the market today. and in general the uptrend. PTPI working its way back up to that trend line once again. Okay, let's take a look here. What I still think CNSP. Look at CNSP. It's looking for that breakout here. We have a triple bottom here on CNSP on the 2-minute. You got to keep an eye on this. We're looking very froggy right here on CNSP. A lot of volume kicking back in here. Ooh, that looks like healthy price action. If we get that engulfing on the 10-minute before market opens, if we pop back above it, this could be potential bullish price action here. I don't know. They could also slam it back down to that demand area. Who knows? Who knows? We're waiting for that market open, guys, when the volume kicks in. Oh, my God, bro. I'm telling you, bro, CNSP, it's looking good on that breakout. We're moving up here on CNSP. 365 right now. We got that engulfing on the 10-minute right now. 15 also looking very good. We are on for that breakout. On the 2-minute, look at that 2-minute. Could be a false breakout here. We do have volume kicking in. It's getting froggy. Hey, what's up, Pyro? Okay, 2.5 minutes, guys. 2.5 minutes. Here we go. Swords and shields ready. Okay, well, let's take a look here at CNSP. So far, CNSP looking like it's probably the best setup for market open right now. Again, not financial advice. Keep an eye on it. It's still very early on in this breakout. We still need a little bit more development and candle action here. We are looking pretty good, though. We're looking to reclaim some of those moving averages here. We are getting rejected a little bit here. All right, guys, we got 30 seconds left in the market until the market opens here. Man, you got all these potential breakouts, man. Don't know which ticker to choose. PTPI also on a potential breakout here. All right, market's open here. Let's take a look. BLBX is at the top of the list, of course, from this pre-market action. CFRX popping up here, moving up. STSA also on a potential breakout here. We did have a little bit of a bearish price action or candle action here. We may get an engulfing Greek candle here. RXDX, I don't even know how to play this ticker. PRST at 227, looking to top out, bounce off that top of the list right there. CNSMP looking on that potential breakout here. We got some good price action here on the 10-minute. Candles look good on the 5, 10, 15 potentially. A little bit more buying pressure needs to kick in here. Man, nothing. The amount of tickers that are just blowing up. Stuck in SAI and pair. Let's go. We need to take a look at, okay, CNSP now moving up to $4 here. I'm telling you, we're looking for a push up here to around the 530 area on CNSP. OCG also popping up very nicely. Let's take a look. CNSP falling back down. Tapping the top of that trend line right there. BLBX looking froggy. CFRX looking like its head is on its way back down. DFLI also moving down here. BTCY getting dropped, heading back up here. DRMA, I don't even know about this ticker yet. VS popping up very nicely, trying to head its way to that trend line right there. Yeah, get your ass back down there, CSBR. Don't want none of that. Okay, BFRG looking really nice right now. We do have the gap up above a little bit, 530 area. PLTR taking a little bit of a dip here. Cool with me. We're heading back up already. 880, finding that support area. SPY is turning red right now. Let's take a look at the bottom of the list here. Pair is all the way down there. Tried to break out of that trend line. Could not maintain it. We'll see how it handles that. SAI headed back down here. It is getting to that loading zone. IMPX getting dropped right out the gate. CXAI currently back into that loading zone. BRDS all the way down to 1650. My goodness. Let's take a look at, well, where did TRKA go? TRKA moving up. TRKA also looking for a breakout here. Let's go back to the top of the list here. So CFRX continuing its climb up here. Looking for that previous pre-market high of 297, currently around 280. BLBX still continuing its drop here. They get dropped down. We do have a green candle forming here. STSA hitting the top of that trend line. CNSP does have an indecisive candle here on the open. We're still above that top of that trend line. Volume looks somewhat decent, actually. Not amazing, but decent. A little bit of rejection on that. We did have descending this. I mean, if you get a massive pop back up here to the 390s, you're looking good. PRST did hit 252. CFRX hit 299. We're looking for a breakout here. We got new highs, $3. We're moving up, 312. 315 on CFRX. We're looking higher for 318 here. Hey, good morning, TZ. What's up, bro? We could see a reversal here on BLBX. STSA looking for that engulfing candle. This is somewhat of a bullish candle action here on the 5-minute for STSA. PRST I don't know. I'm not sure if the buying pressure is there yet. We did reject that trend line and the 500 moving average on the 1 hour. BTCY. Oh, look at this bad boy. Steve is dancing. CNSP heading back down to that loading zone, getting rejected. This could be a false breakdown here. Remember, we do have a bottom at 236 here. We do have a lot of buying pressure right there. Wow. DRMA moving up again. Currently at 156. BFRG at 748. Currently tapping near a new high here. GFAI moving back up to 26 cents or 26 cents, $26. Wrong number. PLTR moving its way back up. Very nice candle right there. That's what we wanted to see. Good open. Let's go. CFRX hit 339. DRMA up to 162. Damn, I should have kept my share. BFRG hitting 757. Moving back up to 755. GFAI back into the 26s. We got a nice candle here on the 2-minute. 26.35 is the high right now. Quickly look at the options here. BLBX looking like it's found a little level of support here. Again, still too early to tell. Not a big fan of that chart right there. STSA coming back down, hitting the top of that line right there. BTCY continuing its rise. Look at Steve, bro. Steve don't miss, dude. He don't miss. Look at that. Oh, it's breaking out of that channel beautifully. Steve does not miss. If CNSP hits the bottom of that channel and finds that support, we're looking for a breakout here. I'm looking that could be the next play I might pop into here. By the way, for the account, we do have 3 full day trades. because I've been kind of saving them up, and we are back up to $82 right now. So PLTR is treating us very nice. A little bit of patience, I still think, is in order. We have a very nice looking chart right now. We also did pick up one share of GNS. GNS is looking very nice. We are on the lookout for a breakout on the daily here. I think we could see 165 today. I wouldn't put it past GNS. CFRX moving to new higher highs here. 349. BLBX, man, these tickers, bro. My brain's not ready for this in the morning, guys. I apologize if I keep on mispronouncing it. It sounds slow. It's a little early in the morning here. See, PRST, I still think it has a little bit of development to go. You could see a pullback down here to the 180s. It's still in the cards here. CNSP rejecting that demand area. The demand area looks strong. That demand. And we got descending red volume. Oh, here we go. CFRX moving higher, hitting 359. Bobby Ray, what's up, bro? Good morning. Bodie, good morning. What's up? Oh, wait. I forgot to change my chat to live chat. I may have missed some messages here. I apologize if that's the case. Wait. What happened to BTCY here? 63. Whoa. God damn. No, I wouldn't worry too much. That was the top of the trend line here on the 5-minute. Look at this. Look at this trend line right here, Steve. You're still good. You're still on for the breakout. This is some massive volume, though. You sold half. I'd wait. There is some gaps down here below, all the way down to 53 cents. PRST climbing its way to the 240s. Yo, guys, my account is now back at $97. I just want to put that out there. We are looking excellent here. Where's PLTR? PLTR now into the 904s. Man, oh man, we are looking good on the account, dude. Come on, baby. We still got like 45 minutes left that I can have face cam and sound and stuff like that before it gets too hectic in the background. So 365 here on CFRX. We do have a, man, that chart looks crap on BLBX. That $5 range looking like that needs to fill that gap here. STSA still maintaining the top of that channel. We do have a green candle, which is good. CNSP rejecting that demand area. We're going to have to see. Might have to pop up a couple more times here. Because if you move that channel line right now, we are looking for a little bit later for a breakout. So DRMA got stopped at 165. Fair enough. DFLI coming down. GFAI 2670 hitting that 500 moving average. Oh, GFAI looking good again. 2670 is the high. BFRG currently at 725, came off that 769 area. VHC also popping up here. GNS at 125. We continue our rise for a potential pop out here. On the 1 hour, it looks good. On the 4 hour, it looks good. The daily is still a little bit questionable. We need a little bit more development here, but it's looking good for now. Scroll down here. Okay. PLTR taking a little bit of a break here. Fine with me. Rejection of that $9 area. TRKA still bouncing off that trend line on the 5-minute. We are still looking pretty good for a breakout here. Maybe a little bit more volume kicks in. We'll wait and see. Doge all the way back down to 9 cents. My goodness. That is a rough red candle. CFRX getting rejected. Our account is moving with a lot of volatility right now, so PRST, look at that pop out here, 287. We continue our rise. Man, that's a good breakout right there. CNSP still rejecting that demand area. 287 is the high for PRST. Beautiful breakout. Looking like we're going to that gap right there on the 3. Or not on the 3. On that 4 hour, we have a gap at $3. That's what I meant to say. CNSP also looking good here. I'm telling you, bro. CNSP. Oh, that could be a beautiful candle. That could be beautiful candle action on the 5-minute here. PRST 295 still maintaining that high right there. BLBX looking a little froggy right now. CFRX getting slammed down on that red candle on the 5-minute. There we go. That 3. Okay, we got that gap filled on PRST. 305, 100% filled right now. No gap left. We're breaking past that 500 moving average on the 4 hour. 317 is the current high on PRST. We got that breakout on that channel. We do have gaps below it, but it's a breakout. We got the 200 EMA at 420. Haha, 420. Yo, I've seen way too many 420s, bro. I don't like that. They're gonna rug pull us hard. I would be ready. Let's see. Wednesday, Thursday is going to be brutal. Tuesday, I think they're going to give us hope, but before it's going to get slammed. 330 here on PRST. You had plenty of time to load up on PRST. Down below is looking very healthy. Amount of CFRX was 65% gains. Let's go. 97. Woohoo, tune. Let's go. Let's go, baby. I'm scalping this. Good morning, Mr. I don't give a fuck. How are you? 332 is the high for PRST. A little bit of a cool off here. Needs to pull back here. CNSP looking good on that 5-minute. Needs a little bit more volume. Needs to reclaim those moving averages. CFRX rejecting that slam down, which is good. A little bit still engulfing, though. We're going to have to see how that handles. NCMI also popping up here, hitting 42 after coming back down. VS, wow, working its way to that trend line. We are on a potential breakout here for VS. VS could get very violent. Not 68 cents here. VS is looking very froggy. The chart looks incredibly good right now. We'll see how it's gonna handle itself. Maybe if we move that chart a little bit on the 1 hour there. Still on that breakout, past that 500 moving average on the 1 hour. And RBO also popping up, looking for 81.81. That's gotta mean something. It's a really weird number to land on. If you get a move to 364 on CNSP, you're looking for a breakout. PRST back down to $3. See, again, if you look at the chart here, okay, that's a 4 hour. We're currently just under that 500 moving average. We did fill that gap. We're kind of in the middle of that gap that we filled. Next up, so we did have that resistance at 330. Next level of resistance is around 360. And then you probably got another one at around 376. After that, 403. And you're looking to climb up anywhere from that 420 to 440 range. CNSP, bro. I'm telling you, you got to keep an eye on this ticker right now. It's looking good. I mean, we'll see how it handles itself. I don't want to get ahead of ourselves. We do have that trend line right there. Just trying to break out of it. If I move back to the previous trend line, we are on a breakout. CNSP now climbing up to that 362 area I was talking about. We do have, oh my God. There we go. CNSP is looking for that breakout now. We have a beautiful reversal. Breaking out of that trend zone. SDSA continuing its downward push. PRST taking a pullback here. Did pop back up to 320. Back down to the 310s. CNSP now at 380. Looking for 390 right now. Previous high of the day is 399, around $4. It's around the 50 moving average on the 10 minute. And we're currently bouncing off that 50 on the 5 minute. So BBAI also climbing its way up to 370. Very nice pop up here of 15%. Looking good as well. I don't know about this. I don't know about this. CNSP is... Okay, it's rejecting some of those moving averages. PRST also continuing its climb up here. Whoa, it just popped up. Okay, we're got a new high here on PRST, 378. We're looking to get past that right now. 338. Wait, did I say 7? No, I meant to say 3. 338. All right, let's take a look here. Where are we at right now? So that is a bit of a resistance area. I would say the next real one's at 360, which we just popped up to. We hit 355, very close to it. Next one we're looking at around 370, 373. This could still be a good loading opportunity here. We are rejecting that breakout on the 500 moving average here on the 4 hour. CNSP climbing its way back up to $4 here. Could have loaded up at $3, a full dollar. Man, maybe I should have scalped one of my calls and jumped into CNSP here. But whatever. It's part of the game. Still got faith in PLTR. That chart looks very good. So we did hit 418 on CNSP. Let's take a look. Where's BTCY? BTCY did get dropped below that trend line. VS at the good old 666. Where's that holy water, baby? Where's that holy water? $355 is still the high on PRST. We're at that $3 range, man. See, we did hit 425 on CNSP. We're looking to hit that within the next 5 minutes to confirm that breakout there, that full breakout, but it's looking a little weak here in volume.
Janne is nog niet op.
Oké.
Ik weet niet hoe lang dat... want die mannen die komen natuurlijk...
Ja, dat weet ik. 8 uur.
Ja.
Ja,
Oké.
dat weet ik.
Ik heb de honden achter het hekje gezet. Ja? En
De hekje.
like that they don't come in this part of the house.
Oké.
And that's it. Like,
Ja, om 7:30 zal ik...
zorg tot ze op is in ieder geval.
Ja.
Ja, en ja, bel me maar als er iets is.
Oké,
Ja?
zal ik doen.
Oké.
Okay, IBRX. Sorry, I haven't looked at the chat in a sec here. All right, IBRX 14%. REVB. Yeah, a lot of biotechs and AIs are running right now. CNSP getting dropped down to 350 here. CFRX with a nice engulfing candle on the 5-minute. PRST down below $3. May have to, again, I'm telling you, it may have to test that 220 area again. Wint is halted. Halted on the way down. We're up. Wait. Okay, that's a bit weird. RAVB continuing its climb higher here, hitting 162. Oh, wow. We did pop up all the way to 245. Came back down. All right, guys. In about 30 minutes, I do have to quickly end the stream for a moment and go do some things for about 30, 40 minutes, and I'll come back on when things are settled. If probably won't have volume, but we'll see how it goes. False breakdown, attempted ladder attack on PLTR. Good morning, Henry. What's up? Yeah, you didn't understand what we were saying, did you, Steve? Yeah, I speak another language, son. Nice, nice. Whoa, what, Jesus, what the frick? I gotta sell one. 34, that's, no, okay, came back down. That was a massive pop up there. Hit 33, came back. All right, well, we'll wait. Still think PLTR, I still think PLTR hits that 915 area. BLBX finally looking for that breakout. I think we are tapping that trend line here at some point. Yeah, at around kind of where the 50 moving average is on the 2 minutes, around 940. Could get a full dollar out of that movement. We do have a nice engulfing green candle here on the 10-minute. CNSP rejected that breakout. Damn. I did call it, though. I did call the breakout here from 3 to 4. It was looking good on the chart. All right, let's take a look. PRST back down to 280s. Rev is down, back down to 155. KWE, how's this one? KWE looks also like a potential pop-up here. GFAI climbing up to 2739 here. Breaking that 500 moving average on the 5-minute. Very somewhat nice candle action there. Hey, look at VHC with that pop up there. There we go. There we go, PLTR. There we go. Come on, you need to maintain that. You need to maintain that, man. For another 4 minutes, it's going to be a bit difficult, but we'll see how it goes. If you see it, you see it on PLTR. If you don't, you don't. CFRX also looking... Okay, never mind. I said that looking nice, but we're about to get ladder attacked here. PRST down all the way down to 275. I wouldn't worry too much about this. This is a nice healthy pullback. We could see a pullback here down to 253, 254 area. Just keeping that in mind. A pullback is necessary for PRST. Somewhat volume is cooling off. We are still maintaining the current volume, so don't worry too much about that. CNSP look. Oh man, CNSP looking very good right now. I think we're about to see another test of that $4 range here on CNSP. Rich getting stopped out of PRST with a 25% gain. Let's go, Rich. Let's go. We make that money. That's a good Monday. That's a good Monday right there. Let's go. Connie. Good morning, Connie. How are you? I buy the dips and then it dips more. Oh, if you want to make money, do the opposite of me. Oh, don't worry. We got a couple of those people in here. Steve, buy the dip. No, Steve will do the opposite. When you're struggling, Steve will come in and he'll buy your shares. No, I'm just messing around. Yeah, actually, let's take a look. Speaking of TRKA Daddy, let's take a look at TRKA real quick. Okay, TRKA looks like it's on a breakout. It's finding that support actually on the trend line on the 15-minute. The 30-minute, same with that. The 1 hour is looking good. We do have a bit of an indecisive candle there. Not great. The 4 hour, I mean, we are on that support area at 24.30, so I wouldn't worry too much about it for right now. SPY is green, which is good to see. We are waiting still for some price action on PLTR. Not the candle formation I wanted. It was still very early. We'll see how it maintains itself within the next minute and a half. Still would not put GNS out of the question again. There's some quote-unquote big news this week, so... CNSP rejecting that breakout again, man. What is up with that price action? PRST, yep, there we go. Bullish, full on bull. You guys need to get ready for this PRST move right here. The 5-minute looks amazing. Look at that. Engulfing. You have about 40 seconds to maintain that engulfing green candle. We do see some selling pressure coming in, trying to keep it down. Do want to maintain above 305 here on that 5-minute. If you can do that, we're looking incredibly bullish. We got about 20 seconds left to maintain this price action or this candle pattern right here. We do need a little bit more of confirmation. Okay, it's not maintaining the 305. We'll see how it handles it. Nope. We got a lot of volume kicking in here. Market sees what it sees. Okay, here we go. Let's take a look at what the next candle is going to do here. It's not a terrible 5-minute candle. It's not the candle you probably wanted, but it's still looking pretty good here. PRST, a $3 loading zone is what could have actually loaded at here at 280. Good support area. We're going to see how it handles that $3 area. Could be a bunch of selling off right here. I mean, you do have a lot of selling. You got a big fat... Whoops, wrong. We got a lot of... supply right here. People unloading their shares, so just keep that in mind because the volume is great and we are on a breakout, but if there's that massive supply area, there's only so much you can do. CNSP still with a, I don't know, man. I still think CNSP is looking good. See, we did move that line over again. Are they just going to stair step ladder their way up here? Are we going to test that breakout line again? All right, let's take a look at what PLTR. Okay. Okay, guys. Just a quick reminder. I will have to end the stream for probably 30 minutes to about an hour and about 23 minutes. So 23 minutes. PRST with a very nice candle here on the 10 minute. BLBX breaking down, capitulation occurring. We do have that at around $5. We do have a gap to fill, so keep that in mind right there. Actually, let me draw that out real quick. Right here. Hey, man, the 10 minute looks good. The 10 minute looks good on PRST. CNSP also looking good. STSA still STSA. Man, dude, some of these tickers, bro, I hate calling them out. Just saying them out loud sounds so dumb. Really, these guys need to work on this marketing aspect. Okay, GNS at 126 here. You can see it's trying to work its way up to that trend line right there. It is breaking out on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, but on the smaller time frames, you do still need to work your way up to that breakout line. The 30 minute looks good, actually. So we're sort of working our way backwards from right to left in regards to time for the charts. But we're still looking good here. Wint has been unhalted. Managed to push itself up to $6. I think someone talked about that last week. All right, I'm going to quickly leave up PRST because I'm feeling that's probably what most people are looking at right now. It's not looking great. Again, I still think... Wait. Yeah, talking about Rev, right? Or NXTP. Yeah, dude, I got Rev right here, 159. I added it to the list. It cooled off at 160. Oh wait, let me add those indicators. The crap, I gotta find these now. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. No, no, RSI. Where's RSI? RSI and MACD. Just to make that chart look good. I'll be right back. Leaving a PRST. I'm back. Sorry about that. Yeah, I had to quickly grab something. All right. Where are we at right now? Let's take a look. CFRX. CFRX is looking pretty good right now. We do have a potential on the 15. BLBX looks crap. PRST. So maybe the 5-minute looks better. We're waiting for that 5-minute candle to see what it does. CNSP on officially on a, once again on that breakout. I'm telling you, bro, we're going to 5. CNSP will see 5 today. Maybe a little. Well, it does have some resistance at 480, but went halted at 719. Rev, I don't know what Rev is doing here. NXTP. Heavy lines of resistance here on COSM. TRKA looks, I don't know. Still know about TRKA. If it goes down to 22, that's a buy. PLTR back over $9. There we go. That's what we wanted to see. Come on, baby. PLTR, PLTR, PLTR. I want to see a fat breakout here on PLTR while I'm still on the stream. MMAT at a 52-week low at 21.6. CNSP once again broke down on the. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's going to reject that line? Really? Wow. Okay. CNSP looks like it wants to go back down. STSA looking pretty good right now. Kind of found that support here at the 120 MA on the 5. Still above that trend line. We'll have to see if it maintains that. CFRX is either about to pop or it's about to break down. There needs to be more volume in this ticker. Because that's a consolidation zone, either in regards to bears or for bulls. And I don't see the volume, so it's looking a bit bearish right now. BLBX finding that support. Still think it might have to break down to that 5 area. Maybe just above it. 550 maybe. PRST, guys, again, for PRST, I just want to remind you that a little bit of development is not out of the question. PRTS could definitely have some higher moves here. Wint now at 853, halted once again. Again with this weird breakdown to 453. I don't know what's up with Webull or the market in general. I don't know why they're showing these weird ass charts. NXTP getting broken down to 167. Rev is down to 140. Yo, Steve, so I don't think you, so you know the Twitter call I was in, right? I don't think Buzz streamed it, and I think you most of you guys clicked off after a while or woke up or whatever, like fell asleep. Cuz how do you say? Some of the conversation was a little bit boring. I won't necessarily deny that, but after I don't think Buzz had the stream on. We had a sort of a glitch with the Twitter call, and we were talking about TRKA. And one of the things I mentioned was Peter Coates, right? Why would Peter Coates sell TRKA to GNS to Roger Hamilton? And my main these are my concerns. A, where is GNS getting that money from? And B, why would Peter Coates, who's a multi-billionaire, sell off a media company that's making fat amount of money? Now, I brought that up and no one really had a response to that. And my conclusion at the end of that was I still think there is enough liquidity within TRK to see movement. Right? So I just wanted to, but regardless, the fact that TRKA and GNS kind of got together and were talking, I think is also a good indication, because regardless, I think at the end of the day, that indicates some form of business relationship. Wait, he got rid of his YouTube channel? Why would he get rid of his YouTube channel? I'm just wondering, because oops. No, because he has a live stream for the 19th. That doesn't make sense. Oh, okay. Look, I just brought it up because I thought it was interesting. By the way, NMTR is popping up. This was an OA play. Same with EIGR. But no. I'm not taking anything away from it, right? Like, you're in this play to make money. You're not like holding it on for the next 10 years. I mean, you could obviously, but I was just pointing some of those facts out because I feel like people weren't mentioning it. That's all. Because people have done that to me all the time with tickers that I've been on, and I'm like, well, this is finally my moment to to sour the conversation a little bit. Okay, CFRX. Okay, here we go. I said it was either going to break down or break up, so it's looking like it's about to break down. It could be a ladder attack. We do have some support here at 287. We do still have some buying pressure here. That's a good indication. We're going to have to wait and see who's in control here. CNSP and CFRX both breaking down at exactly the same time. Very interesting. PTPI is up 10% here. Where's PTPI? Or is it down? PTPI is at 505. Okay. I don't know why I don't see it on the Oh, okay. It popped up briefly, came back down. Hit 509, coming back now down to 450, 460. 5 minute bouncing off the 200 moving average. No, I'm talking about Buzz. He quit streaming the live stream and kicked everyone off that was watching the space call on YouTube. Okay. Someone mentioned the TRKA and the GNS guy said he couldn't talk about it and that Roger Hamilton might have something to say on Wednesday. I'm not banking on that either, but buy the rumor, sell the news thing. Yeah. Yeah, Rich, I'm catching on the PTPI. PTPI did move. I'm going to highlight PTPI. I'm going to put a color on it. Where is it? BTCM. BTCM is moving up back to $3. Hold up. Where it should be down here somewhere. PTPI. Where is it? Oh wow. Okay, it's now red. Okay, I'm gonna put a color on this. We're gonna put it blue. I wish I had more colors. I need to like organize the color here so I keep track of what we're. I like that you can color the ticker. It's actually a really cool feature Webull added. I'll give credit to where credit is due. Yeah, no. Oh wait, let's see, where's SVM at? Because we got silver and gold on the way down. Wait, where is it? Where is SVM? Is SVM green? No, this is recently viewed. I gotta go back to the watch list. Where's SVM? PAX is also continuing its rise. By the way, I think Pets may have found its bottom here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I do have to end the stream. I got some things I need to take care of. I will try to be on later. I'll still be in the background on Discord and things like that. Sorry, I really have to take care of some things. It's gonna be from Monday through Wednesday like this. The mornings I'll be on, but then I gotta hop off and I gotta do some things. So I will 100% be back on. You can message me in the Discord if you found something, or just in general message the group. See, there's people still talking in there. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the stream for now. Probably gonna be a good hour or so. We'll see. I'll let you guys know. So peace.